Hey, welcome back to my life on a budget. Y'all, today I need my September Frankenplanner, okay? It is not the end of the month. I mean, it's not the end of August yet. It's actually August the 27th, but your girl needs her Frankenplanner now. Okay, I cannot finish up August yet because we still haven't even got our final check for August. You know, my month goes on and on, but in the meantime, in between time, I still need to be able to get ready for the next month. Okay, so if you want to set up September's Frankenplanner with me, then stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all stay tuned and click. That means you want to go ahead and set up Frankenplanner for the month of September. Okay, first things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning Budget Baes. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. But as soon as you get on the video, do your big one and hit that like button for your girl. I definitely do appreciate it. And if you're new around here, not only hit the like, but also hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. Okay, so anyway, look, y'all. Let's talk about it. I am, like I said, I need to do my September. So let's move some stuff out of the way. And then we're going to go ahead and pull out our planner that we already have. I already have it to the section that we're on. And I've already pulled out our currently section. Okay. I also have my little notes and more tools and stuff like that here. So we will do what we got to do. Okay. Hope this video finds everybody doing well. I'm doing much better. I feel much better. I still have a little, congestion, but it's nothing like it was, y'all. I am so happy that I feel much better. I was on my medicine heavy. I probably need to still low-key be on my medicine a little bit, okay? But that's neither here nor there, y'all. I'm just glad that I'm feeling better, okay? I'm glad I'm feeling like a normal, all right? But then I'm about to get ready next week. We have a long weekend this weekend, but with that being said, my mom is having surgery on Tuesday, so right after the Labor Day weekend, I'm going to have to be dealing with her surgery, so keep us in prayer with that she's able to go in and come on out of the surgery, child. Anyway, okay, so let's talk about it now. This time we're about to do September. I did go ahead and put my notes and task dashboard in there. That's just in there to just get it started. But we're going to pull out our Lilo and Stitch. Now, if you're new around here, I do use non-dated planners for the most part, and this cover does not go with it. I actually have the Lilo and Stitch cover. Very nice, very nice leather cover. I keep it in a thing so it don't mess up, child, because maybe it don't take much. But anyway, I have the insides of it, and I just put another cover on here, okay? But anyway, we use that for our catch-all section, and it says, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. I love that. Because as we know, honey, life is not perfect, baby. It's always something going on. Something on my mind. Which I know about that. Want somebody please? They made me want to watch my movie, girl. Which I know about that. If y'all know where this come from, leave some down in the comments to tell me where did that come from. What I just said. What you like? No. Leave me some down in the comments, baby. And tell me if you know where that come from, baby. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to just put the September here. Like I said, this is my catch-all section, my undated section. We will be going back and kind of filling out the dates and stuff like that. But let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let me grab a date book. Because I think I want to do my dates now. If I can. I did get a new book from Amazon. It's like a theme book, not a theme book. Well, yeah, like a holiday book. But let's put out some options already, cause y'all know I'll never be knowing what I'm gonna put in here. Shoot, I told you I did buy this little book right here that I got from Amazon. It's a year in stickers book. It's like 900 stickers, but basically each month has like, you know, stickers and stuff. I already gonna start using the other stickers. Like here's September. You know, they're gonna be red, white, and blue, girl. But I can use this. That's actually cute. I might use that. Let me see. I don't know if I want it to be red, but you know, we finna get ready and get into the autumn or fall season. So, excuse me, this may be okay. Oh, I probably don't need no notes section though, so it might be alright. We're gonna kind of cover that up. Oh, let me see. I might have to move that. I do love the way that looks, but I may have to move that if I redo my dates. We'll see. But now we'll keep that, because I like the way they look. Okay, and then of course this is my catch-all section, and it goes into undated, blah blah blah. We'll get it started with that. Okay, now right after my catch-all section, we immediately move into my budget section. We're gonna put our budget dashboard in there, and then I'm gonna put my weekly bills to pay. I'm gonna put that right there. Let me see, do I want that right here? No, yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. And then I'm gonna pull out my budget book, which you know we're using Big Dollar Energy from the Happy Planner. We're using this for our budget. And this, we use we use a couple of the pages, but the rest of the pages that we don't use, we're gonna put them back right here. But it say make every dollar count. And you know we're gonna need the calendar. We're going to need the budget part, and then this savings tracker part right here. We're going to pull those out. And then these weekly check-in sheets, we'll just leave those. So that, because I don't really do weekly check-ins anymore. So if I check in, but I don't like do that online. So we'll just put that to the front. Okay. And then we're going to put this here, right? Now, before we move on, we got to put the little sticker right here, of course. So, let's do that. I cannot believe it's September, y'all. This year has really been, oh, Lord, going by so fast. Oh, it's been going by so fast, y'all. Okay, so boom, so we got this, and then cute. Okay, so y'all know, let's see, can we find us a cute little September? I don't know why I got this book out, because I think this book is, I had it. Okay, so we got that there. That's going to be our September situation. And then we're going to flip over here to our budget. Now remember, we're going to turn this into our budget. And we're going to have to put a little September right there. So we're going to use this Agenda 52 book. And we're going to just grab us a September. I'm glad I'm picking the damn right month this time, child. Because y'all know your girl will put the wrong month. Your girl will put the wrong month. Okay, so boom, so that's September. All right, now that's gonna be my budget, and then this is savings tracker, but of course I'm gonna turn that into my bill pay tracker. Okay, and then immediately right after it, we're gonna be putting our paycheck budgets. So this right here is our cash envelopes that we use for our cash stuff, and so I have 4 of those in there. I have a set of 4 of my bi-weekly paycheck, and this is what I use to I actually punch this. So I need to go on and use this because I used the wrong punch on these and messed it up. I don't like how they look. But anyway, that's why I'm trying to use them. But anyway, this is my budget by paycheck, my weekly my bi-weekly budget by paycheck for me and Papa. And then here's my pre-budget one. This one is just, it's the same exact thing. This one is just on heavier paper. And this is just regular paper. That's the only difference. Okay. So that's that. Now, we're going to, after that, we move into our wellness section. Now, our wellness section has to do with our gym, our food, our walking, our exercise. Or our gym, the same thing I just said. But that's what the wellness section is for. We do use the Wellness Undated Planner by the Happy Planner. This particular one says, enjoy every moment. So we're going to grab that bundle. Okay, let's put September right there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, this section that's right here is my calendar for my wellness section. So, you know that I use that. And then, behind it is my actual things. Let me find a September really quick. Hold on, that's my days of the week. Let's check out the new Kellyanne book. I think I'm going to use this font right here, but still in this kind of summery, not summery, fall, autumn type of color. So we'll put the month there. And then here is just kind of where I put when I'm going to when I go to the gym and stuff like that. It's kind of what I keep track of. And then here is where I put my what I plan to do. Like if I'm going to the gym, my food goes here, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. My movement, which is my steps, goes here. Okay. And if I have any goals for the week or anything like that, goes here. Okay. So that's just easy peasy. So we'll go to the back of that. And then right after that section, I go directly into my daily moods. Now, y'all remember this daily moods is the one that I made. It's the mental health checklist that I made, basically. And it's an undated daily tracker that I'm supposed to be using, quote unquote, daily, but it's undated. So that way I don't feel like I'm wasting them. If I don't use them, then I just move them to the next month. But for the most part, I'm using them at least, you know, a couple times, you know what I'm saying? But I put the date here, and then that way if I don't use it, it's not a lot of unused space. I am enjoying this. I do think that I may revamp this a little bit. I've already told you guys that, but for the most part, I love this mental tracker thing. I just need to use it more. Okay? All right. And then immediately after that, we'll just put the little dashboard, Grow in His Grace dashboard. So if I want to write anything down, I can do that. All right, then we go into our social media section, which is our last part of the Frankenplanner. Okay, that's for y'all. And we're going to use our Soft Florals book for that. And it says, See the Good. It's a dashboard layout. Y'all know I love an old nasty dashboard layout. Undated, of course. Undated, of course, because you know your girl lives over there. The undated one, too. My book's getting a little light. I might need to go, but I think I got some filler paper to use for this. I don't think I need to buy no more books. I think I got some extender packs. And before I go buy anything, baby, I'm going to go check my stash. Because I'm known for going just get something else, honey, and I already got it, baby. Know me? All right, so now this is the only section that I don't use the calendar on. So we're going to pull out our little Happy Planner thing here, and we're going to pull out our tape. And we're going to take those books together, baby, because I need to open it right up, and it goes right into September. Hello? So we're going to put our handy dandy 1-2. Okay, I'm going to plop that on there. Boom. Oh, I always don't put that exactly right. Hold on. And see, that's the good thing about getting a temporary one now. I'm glad I do that. Get the temporary one. Because, baby, y'all know I would tear some stuff up. Hold on. I'm just trying to get it as close. There we go. Alright, and then so like I said, we're going to open that right up into there. So it goes right from here, opens right up into this. And we're going to put our September here. Okay, and then of course we're going to date it and all that good stuff. Okay, so let's take it back to where the front so you guys can see it in whole. Because baby, this video was quick, fast, and hurry. Okay, your girl just needs her stuff. It don't take that long. Alright, so let's talk about it now. We start off right here where it says currently. I'm going to go into my, of course, why fit in when you're born to stand out. Hello. Hello. Okay, and then notes and tasks. That's my regular dashboard that I write on if I need to write anything about this week and have anything to do with my catch-all section. Like, I got some dates I need to already have in there. Okay, then it goes directly into my September catch-all. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Love that. Okay, goes right into our September calendar for the catch-all section. And then the actual catch-all section is undated. Okay, right after that section, we go immediately into our budget section. Okay, which is our second favorite section. And then we go into our weekly expenses and bills to pay dashboard. And then it goes directly into my budget part, my budget planner, okay? Make every dollar count, or every day count, I'm sorry. This is going to be my September bill pay calendar. So we will be having a video coming up, setting this up. And then we'll move into our September budget. So again, we'll have our September budget. And then we have our, this says savings tracker, but it's going to be our bill pay checklist, okay? Then it moves into our paycheck budget. We have the one for the prepaid check, then we have our actual paycheck budget, and then we have our bank notes, okay? Love, love, okay? Then it goes directly into my wellness section, enjoy every moment. Of course, this has to do with when I'm working out, when I'm going to the gym, talking about my food, talking about my movement, talking about my intentions, and then we go directly into my daily moods, okay? How is your girl feeling, baby? My mental health daily tracker, okay? Then we go on into our dashboard, our spiritual dashboard. That's just at the end of my wellness section. And then our last section, of course, is you guys, which is my social media section. See the good, okay? And this is our dashboard where we're going to be writing when we're posting, what we're posting, when we're editing, when we're recording, okay? So if you have made it to the end of this particular video, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I definitely greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure you hit the like button. If you're new around here and you enjoyed the video, not only hit the like, but also subscribe. I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye!